Wait, is that woman looking at me? Oh, she wants to dance. Nuke, she's coming over here. I don't know how to dance, cumbia. Whatever you do, go with the flow and take it slow. Do not look stupid in front of this woman. Alright, here we go. Hands on the waist, keeping up the pace, swinging left and right, flowing with the bass, hypnotized by those eyes that flew me into space, looking at starlight bright, lighting up the place. It's alive, what a lovely celebration. Every soul in the club's elevating, the force of cumbia's radiating, and it's all cosmic love. Can you feel it gravitating? The sensation's so magical. Everybody's racing to the dance floor. Rapido, dripping drops of tequila from the back of the patio, pushing through the crowd, but there's no need to panic, bro. Full moon's lit, everyone's here to party. At Los Globos in LA on a Friday, I'm dancing with the goddess with the supernatural body. Hot senorita swaying side to side my way, sweating in my arms wrapped like a hot tamale. As the ancient spirits echo through the night, baile, baile, baile. The call in the cumbia is echoing inside me. I'm in the world of wonder. How beautiful can life be if we can all set our minds free? Wow, I didn't even know my body can do that.